Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a cute little sandal for a baby girl. I'm using 2.5 mm and a yarn. So let's start. First of all, I will make 14 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now skip 3 and in the fourth one make double crochet 2 times and 1 double crochet in 9 chain. Now I did my 9 chain. In the last I will do 5 double crochet. 2 3 4 and last one 5. Now make 9 double crochet. I did my 9 double crochet. In the last one I will make 2 double crochet and make a slip stitch. 1 2 and this is the third chain. Now chain 1 and make single crochet into the same stitch 2 times. In next make 2 single crochet and 1 2 3 4 single crochet and 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet. Now I did my 8 double crochet. In the 10 stitches make twice double crochet, 2 times double crochet in every stitch, 10 stitches. Now chain 8 double crochet, 8 in 8 stitches make 1 double crochet, 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now in the last 4 make 2 double crochet and make a slip stitch. Assalamu alaikum. This is my sole for baby sandal. First of all I will choose brown color and make slip stitch in all around the sole. So this is the middle of the shoe, this one. Now I will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. From 8 I will start my slip stitch. So I will do my slip stitch all over till to the end of my sole. This is the end. So do it all around. This is my slip stitch. Now I completed my slip stitch all over. So now I will start my heel side, back side of the shoe. So I will put my into the and make a single crochet. Now make single crochet in all stitches in 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 in 16 stitches. Now this is my 16th stitch. From here I count 16. Now chain 1 and turn your work. In the first stitch make single crochet and make single crochet in all stitches. Like this till to the and make single crochet. Make 8 rows of single crochet as I am doing. 8 rows of single crochet. Then I will meet you then. Now this is my last one. Now I completed my 8th row. So I will make a slip stitch 2 times. 1 and this one my second. Now I will chain 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So this is my strap. Now I will skip 2 and a third one I will make double crochet, half double crochet, and make half double crochet in all stitches till to the end. Now in the last, I am here in the last, I will make a slip stitch in the first single crochet and cut the yarn, make it slip stitch and tied it. Now in the middle of the shoe sole, this is the middle, I put a stitch marker. So count from this side 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and from this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 times. Okay, 6 from this side and 6 from this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now insert your hook from this side and make a chain 17. 1 2 3 4. Now skip 6 and in the 6 make a slip stitch like this, and now make another slip stitch and make chain 1 and make single crochet in 18 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 18 stitches. Now in the last, make a slip stitch in the second one. Now turn your work, chain 1 and make 11 stitches. 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I did my 11 singles crochet, then chain 1, 2, 3, 8 chain. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And skip 2 in the third one, make a, skip 1 in the second, make a slip stitch and another slip and make single crochet into the 18 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in the end, make a slip stitch in the second one. Now again, chain 1 and make 11 chain. 1, 2, 3. Now again, chain at the end of 11, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and skip 1 in the second one, make slip stitch and again make slip stitch and now single crochet into the every stitch till to the end. Now my shoe is ready and I hope you will like it. Make it for your loved ones and see you inshallah in another video with new pattern, and put a button here, and if you want to put a flower or bow or for decoration, it's up to you. So this is my cute little shoe for 0 to 6 months. I hope you will like it.